Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Planet. If this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Here on this channel you will get the exercise solutions of your all the exercises of all the chapters of computer book. So let's start the video. In that first question, tick the correct answer. In this video we are going to see class 6 chapter number 2 computer memory exercise solution. In that first question is tick the correct answer. In that first, primary memory is also known as main memory. What is the nature of ROM? It's non-volatile. The type of ROM that erases its contents by ultraviolet light is EPROM, a temporary storage area for instructions that enhances the CPU speed is cache memory. Which of the following is a secondary memory? And the answer is hard disk. So these are the answers of tick the correct question. And question number 2, true false. And the first question is, it is RAM. Always type RAM in capital. So RAM is used to store data permanently. This is false statement. RAM is temporary. SRAM is efficient and fast but is very expensive. Yes, this statement is true. Number 3 statement, a memory module is a circuit board that holds memory chips. Again, this statement is true. EEPROM uses ultraviolet light to erase its contents. This is false statement. And the cache cannot improve the processing speed of the CPU. This is false. Cache always improve the processing speed of the CPU. Next question is filling the blanks. In that first one, the computer memory is measured in bits or bytes. B-Y-T-E-S. Bits or bytes. A group of 4 bits is known as nibble. And number 3 sentence. Saving is the process of copying items from RAM to hard disk. And the number 4, a newer type of RAM which stores data using magnetic charges is MRAM, and the correct answer is MRAM. A DIMM has pins, the answer is pins on opposite sides of the circuit board that do not connect. So these are the answers of fill in the blank question. Question number D, that is differentiate between the following, and we have to write the difference between primary memory and secondary memory. So primary memory is the working memory or the main memory of a computer system. RAM and ROM are two major types of primary memory. Secondary memory is used to store data for a long time. It operates at a slower rate than primary memory. This is the main difference between primary memory and secondary memory. Second difference we have to see, that is RAM and ROM. So RAM, also called main memory, consists of memory chips that can be read from and written to by the processor and other devices. The next is ROM. So ROM refers to memory chips used for storing data that can be read only. The data on ROM chips cannot be modified. So this is the main difference between RAM and ROM. Let's see the next question. Answer in 1 to 2 sentences. So in that first question is, write a short note on memory units. Memory units पे short note लिखना है. So this is the answer. Memory unit is the computer memory measured in bits or bytes. A bit is the smallest unit of information that a computer can process and store. And a group of 8 bits is called byte. A group of 8 bits is called byte, and a group of 4 bits is called nibble. Next question is, what do you mean by memory modules? And the answer will be a memory module is a circuit board that holds memory chips. SIMMS and DIMMS are two types of memory modules. Then question number 3. Write the different variations of ROM chips. And the answer will be variations of the ROM chips are programmable read-only memory. The short form is PROM. Erasable programmable ROM. We will write like this. So it will be readable. Programmable read-only memory, that is PROM. Erasable programmable ROM, that is EPROM. And electrically EPROM, EEPROM. So these are the answers of question answer in 1 to 2 sentences. And friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel. On this channel you will get the exercise solutions of your computer book. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Next question is answer briefly. In that first question, how will you classify memory? The computer memory is divided into two types. First is primary memory and secondary memory. So let's explain the primary memory first. Primary memory is often known as the working memory or the main memory of a computer. RAM and ROM are two major types of primary memory. Let's explain the secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store data for a long time. It operates at a slower rate than primary memory. This memory is permanent in nature. So this is the answer of first question. Second question. Explain the purpose of cache memory in the computer. So cache is a temporary storage area for instructions and data that enhances the CPU speed. The cache memory improves the processing speed of the computer because it stores frequently used instructions and data. This is the answer of second question. Now see the last question, that is application based question. Your father wants to buy a computer for his office work, in which multiple files or apps need to be opened simultaneously. For this purpose, what would you suggest him? Give reason. So the computer that has greater RAM will be suitable for his official work, as greater RAM has higher accessing speed. So friends, this is the exercise solution of class 6 chapter number 2. And again, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.